Hello guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first time you stepping into this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos, so that other persons can benefit as well too. Or if you're a returning subscriber, you can also share too, so that other persons can benefit from our video. And in case if you want to buy your skincare product, or you want to buy a recipe, organic product or cosmetic, you can always shout us up or call us via the number on your screen. Look at the number, you can see it. You can call us anywhere. I said anywhere, be in the US, be in Canada, Asia country, Europe, UK, anywhere, even Africa, other parts of Africa. You can always call us. Just call us. We ship everywhere. If it's organic product or industrial products for your Promixing, just call us, and we sell in affordable price. We sell wholesale. Right now we are on promo again, 10% discount. So keep calling right now. And as for those of you who call Ada about recipe, I repeat again, not Ada you call. You understand? You can call Ada. You can call Ada for any other thing. You can call for any other business. But for recipe, just give me a call. I told you we are one. So, but on recipe, call me on recipe. That's it. Okay, a nice one. And you can always check us out on our Instagram at AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, on our Facebook at AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Also, we are everywhere, even in this YouTube. Also, you can still check us in another channel, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Are you getting it? This is just the motherland of the YouTube we are, but we have another YouTube also that you can check us on, so we don't come out, you know what I mean? Okay, in a quick one today, what do we have? Trust me, today is a very interesting topic I have for you guys. And what could that be? We're talking about an oil that is being on my mind, and somebody also now asked me about the oil. I don't need to wait for a lot of people to ask me about the oil. I said, no, I think this is a sign. Let me talk about this oil. It's no other oil than the Veet Black Spot Corrector. As a matter of fact, you all know that oil. So people will be saying it's a whitening oil. No, not at all. It's not a whitening oil, please. It's a glowing oil. And it's a oil that be made like combination of other oils, like cinnamon essential oil, and then we have almond oil in it, and then we have, I think, wheat germ oil, and also anise oil. So just imagine oil that be made of a combination of other oils like this. That oil is a bomb. I tell you, Rita is a bomb. And the question is like, she asked me, can I use it as a lightning? Does it have any lightning property on it? Oh, I must tell you, dear, no, rather it has glowing property, So and again, you can see it be written. You can see it be written on it, like, it has SPF 15, but I would say because it have SPF 15, and that guarantees you to use it to walk at sun. No. Lemon doesn't like sun at all. You understand? So I will advise you that if you're using it, it's best used at night. It's best used. So let's see what it even works for. That is number one thing. I think it's written on this body. You can see, one, it corrects black spot. Take his black spot away, and also wrinkles, and some other things he does. So I think this is one of the best oil I can ever boast of. That they didn't pay me for any advert. So don't think they give me, no. The whole of, you can see, and this one, so you can see that this whole of this bottle is one thing you should get at home, because there's no other oil I would think of in terms of glowing of the body. Veet, that is a bomb. You guys should get it. moisturizes your body, it glows the body. You can use it as oil base to other oils when you want to do your pro-mixing, you understand? So what I will advise you, if today is your first time you hearing this, hear this word. Now what I will advise you, whenever you're doing your pro-mixing and you're using that oil, it should be a priority. Don't be convinced if it's gonna work. Will it work in the skin of my customer? No, trust me, it's for all type. Yes, it's for all type, all skin type, you know. So have that confidence in it. So you that asked me this question, if it's a whitening, it's not a whitening. It's not a whitening. It's for glowing. Have that in mind. It's for glowing. That is what it's been meant for. You know, it correct anything, wrinkles, black spot, as long some other blemishes in the body, it correct them. That's what Veet could be meant for. So don't forget today at all, you've gotten the information. For you new subscriber, please copy the link and share to others. For you old subscriber, returning subscriber, also copy the link and share to others so they will benefit to get the information on the information I just passed out now. For those of you who want to buy skincare recipes, who want to buy organic product, cosmetic, you can always call at us, the number on your screen. Don't forget that. Being in US, Canada, Asia country, Europe, UK, what part of the world, other part of Africa, call at us. We ship everywhere. And right now we're doing 10% discount. You understand? And those of you who keep calling at that on recipe, you're not going to get recipe from her. She's going to direct you back to me. Yep. So make sure you copy this number and dial on your phone. You will get me. Yep. So we've come to the end of our class. Don't forget to check on us on Facebook, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, and Instagram, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Remain blessed.